Hi, I'm Jacques Pépin and I'm cooking at home. One of the things that I do very often, I love it when I have mashed potato left over or I cook potatoes specifically for that dish. We call it a Pommes D'or, that is a golden Mont potato. It's a kind of souffle of potato that we do. I have about 4 cups of leftover mashed potato here, and I put 3 eggs in it. That's it. And I have half a cup of grated Swiss cheese here. I love the Gruyere. I will test it for seasoning. The potato were seasoned anyway, the mashed potato, so mix that together. And you can, of course, do that ahead, ready to go into the oven. Let's see that. So as you see, it's pretty loose now with the eggs. I will test it. Maybe a bit of pepper on that. I have a gratin dish here. I think I'll put a little bit of oil, like a teaspoon of oil, in the bottom. Spread it all around. Okay. And then my potato in there. I'm going to put maybe a tablespoon of grated Parmesan cheese on top, and it's ready to go into the oven. About 400 degrees. That's going to take like 35-40 minutes. And this is it, just out of the oven. About 35 minutes, and as you can see, it's like a souffle potato like this, with a nice crust in the bottom. That's an excellent dish, and this is my golden potato Pommes D'or. Happy cooking.